Your 28-acre Bruce Peninsula getaway is ready. Are you? This 2005-built, 3-level, 4-season home was crafted with durable and efficient ICF construction and designed for year-round living in the north. Inside you'll find 4 oversized bedrooms, 3 full bathrooms, and a freshly updated kitchen with new cupboards, countertops, and backsplash. Additional recent upgrades include a new roof, UV filtration system, softener, pressure tank, water heater, and more, giving you peace of mind for years to come. The ground level floor is currently used as a large workshop area and storage, but could be finished as additional living space. And the best part, it's fully furnished. It comes with all kinds of tools and equipment for your use and enjoyment, like these 2 toys here. For more information, contact me, Erica Lawson, and visit my website, ericalawson.ca.